Good day. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the 2-in-1 protective cover for the RC controller. I got this because sometimes when I'm operating my drone on a sunny day, I can't really see the screen as clear as I want to. I'm also tired of placing the joysticks in and out, all the time from the controller, and hopefully this is the remedy. So this is how we put in the actual joysticks. You screw them in here from the back. Screw those on. But let's see what's in the box here. This is called Starter 2-in-1 protective cover for the RC controller. This is the RC controller with the screen. I have some screws here. We have the unit here. Some protective coverings on here. I did some reviews on this, so I can pretty much just put this together. Turn it on the other side, the underside, and these screws will fit right in there in the back and secure it. This cover being 2-in-1, it protects the screen, but it also gives you shade in the sun. So we close that up. Put this in there. Supposed to screw right into the bottom if I have it on there right. Okay, secure is pretty tight. Put the other one in. I feel it screwing in. And there's the cover. And it actually, when the sun, this is the sun shade, and it has these red pieces, so you could easily just pull it to get in there, right? And it also, you could close this up now and put it in your bag, keeping the joysticks in, because there's a cutout here for the joysticks. So here's the joysticks. Usually I have to take these off so they don't break off in my bag, but now I can close that off, use a joystick, and it's covered. The screen is covered, the joysticks are covered, and I have sun protection. Good job. I'll let y'all know how everything turns out, how it feels, and you still could get to the controls where it charges and everything, where you put your mic and your SD card right up in here. You can still get to all of that. All right, so. And I guess if it drops, it gives it some type of stability, and make sure that you don't break your RC controller. So what do y'all think? Please let me know. Thank you.